What's up, y'all? It's your man, Mr. J, back with another video. Same day, different video. So today, we're going to be checking out the XKGlow app-controlled fiber optic lights that I bought to purchase. Did I fuck that up?
What did you say, nigga?
That up. I purchased to go inside of the Tribeca. So let's go ahead and check those out real quick. Alright, y'all. Here it is. The XKGlow app-controlled fiber optic interior kit. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what's in here. Got the warranty, a few little instructions. Here's the fiber optic, 6 foot. I also ordered the hardwire kit so I can wire it up to the battery instead of using this one, which plugs into the cigarette lighter. I'm not really fond of that, so I'll definitely be putting it to the battery later on. Also includes an extension piece. It has the 3 LED heads, as you see here, and a 1 to 3 way splitter, which will power all 3 of these heads. And of course they sent their little sticker, some adhesive. But let's go ahead and check this thing out and see how it works inside of the vehicle, y'all. So give me a moment.
5 minutes later.
We're back now. Had to get to the other camera. But let's go ahead and look at this so y'all can see. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in and actually get a car a little bit of power. Turn it on here. And you see the lights are on. And the mini Bluetooth remote can control some of the lights as changing the colors. But we also downloaded the app, which I have on my other phone here. And we're going to go ahead, open it up, pair that real quick. Hope y'all liking the light show real quick.
Aww.
Where is it? And we have it on. Okay, so gonna change everything up a little bit here. Show you some of the features of it. And it also has this chameleon feature, which will change it to whatever color that the phone is seeing. And right now, as you can tell, we have the blue lights on, so it's not gonna do too good. It's a very nice feature. It also does a few themes here. But we'll definitely be adding this somewhere within the vehicle over the next few days, hopefully. But that's all for this video. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, turn on all post notifications, and I'll holler at y'all another time. I'm out.